Do not be frustrated when things are falling apart. Hello friends, this is Yundan. This is just a share from my own reading. That it is very important to each and every one of us to understand that when things are falling apart, they may actually be falling into place. To understand this, we must remain motivated even if everything is falling apart. We must put our ego aside and don't hesitate in taking and asking for help and get support. We must try something new and make our goals visible. We must focus on the tiny fixes. We can fix things and speak positive affirmation, and we must take action and do not be discouraged. Do not be frustrated. Do not get angry when things seem so very difficult. We must embrace the present and connect with others. We must evaluate what we can control and always practice self-care. Practicing self-care is very important and take away the frustration. The key to understand this is to stay positive always when it all seems to fall apart. It seems so hopeless, but do not be discouraged. We must acknowledge our emotion and share them to the people you love. Share them to the people you can trust with. We must be real with the people that surround us. Our family and friends is very important for us. Take time to talk with them. We must be real who we are, because they are going to work on with our feelings. When you know who you are, when you know how to respect yourself, when you know how to identify your feelings and your emotion, it becomes easier for you to understand that when things are falling apart, they may actually be falling into place. We must always guard our mindset and don't forget to breathe. Get out here in the nature, do the breathing and exercise, and focus on yourself so you can reach the right decision. How can you handle this kind of thing? We must find ways to pull it all back together. We must get a professional help or read a great book. We must take care of our own mental health. How to take care with our own mental health? Really, it helps you when you do the exercise, when you are going out here relaxing by the water, or going out there in the woods doing the jogging or walking. We must learn to let go of things we cannot control. We must do what we want to do and take care of our personal and physical health. We must pray and meditate. We must pay attention to everyone's needs. We must learn from the past and stay hopeful. We must make every day have a meaning. We must take care of our own self and take action what you can do good for yourself. Always be kind to yourself. We must look forward for our basic needs as best as we can. We must know how to find an outlet for release and have a broad-minded mind. Release your frustration and have an open mind to understand the whole thing. It's not always easy, but take it in a positive side of the situation. It seems so frustrating when things are falling apart, but think that this thing is happening for a reason. It's happening for a purpose, that you are going to do good for your life when you can take a moment to work on with your feelings and mindset. Therefore, you must not be frustrated when things are falling apart. There's a way for that. It is happening for a reason, and you have to embrace it whether you like it or not. Just simply have an open mind. All things are going to work together for your good, as the scripture says. So just be quiet. Don't stress out. Calm your mind and work the best you can do for yourself. Remember to have that positive mindset together with a positive affirmation. You can really sort out the things that will feel into the right place. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all, and bye-bye.